Hello everyone, my name is Henrique and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about the benefits of watching this video until the end. As you know, Early to Rise is a classic book that has changed the lives of many people, and in this video, I am going to be sharing with you the 10 biggest lessons from this book in great detail. You'll not only learn valuable insights on how to achieve financial success but also, you will be able to apply these lessons in your own life and start taking the steps towards achieving your financial goals. So, if you're ready to learn and grow, I invite you to sit back, relax, and watch this video until the end. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll never miss a video and be able to continue learning and growing with me. Early to Rise: A Young Adult's Guide to Saving the World by Eric Chester is a self-help book aimed at young adults who are looking to make a positive impact in the world. The book focuses on the power of waking up early and the benefits that come with it, such as increased productivity, better health, and more time for personal development and community service. Throughout the book, Chester shares stories and advice from successful young people who have embraced the early rising lifestyle and used it to achieve their goals. He also provides practical tips for developing a morning routine, overcoming common obstacles, and making the most of the extra time that comes with waking up early. In summary, Early to Rise is a motivational guide for young adults looking to make a difference in the world and improve their own lives. The book encourages readers to embrace the power of waking up early, develop a routine that works for them, and use the extra time to make a positive impact in their communities and the world. Lesson 1: The power and benefits of waking up early. Waking up early has numerous benefits, including increased productivity and time for personal growth. The early morning hours are often less busy and provide a quiet and uninterrupted environment for focused work. Additionally, waking up early gives you a head start on the day, allowing you to tackle important tasks before the rest of the world wakes up. By waking up early, you can also prioritize self-care activities, such as exercise, meditation, or reading, which can help improve your mental and physical health. Lesson 2: The importance of having a clear goal and vision. Having a clear goal and vision is essential for a successful and fulfilling life. By defining what you want to achieve, you have a roadmap to follow, and you can make meaningful progress towards your objectives. A clear goal gives you direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Having a vision helps you see the big picture and ensures that your daily actions are aligned with your long-term goals. Lesson 3: The role of discipline in developing a successful morning routine. Discipline is key to developing a successful morning routine. Creare una routine consistent requiere esforzo, comprometimento e sacrificio, mas as recompensas valem a pena. A routine helps you stay focused, manage your time effectively, and prioritize your priorities. Having a well-established morning routine can also help you feel more energized and motivated throughout the day. Lesson 4: The value of physical exercise and taking care of your health. Physical exercise is an important component of a healthy morning routine. Regular physical activity helps improve your physical health, reduces stress, and boosts your energy levels. Exercise can also help you start your day feeling motivated, confident, and energized. By taking care of your health, you'll be better equipped to tackle the challenges of the day and achieve your goals. Lesson 5: Os beneficios de atenção plena e de meditação. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for improving focus, reducing stress, and enhancing overall well-being. Practicing mindfulness and meditation in the morning can help you start your day with a calm and clear mind, which is essential for productivity and success. These practices can also help you develop greater self-awareness, empathy, and resilience, which are critical for personal growth and fulfillment. Lesson 6: The importance of learning and personal development. Learning and personal development are important for personal growth and success. Incorporating learning into your daily routine can help you broaden your knowledge, improve your skills, and achieve your goals. Personal development can also help you grow as a person, increase your confidence, and develop a positive mindset. Whether you're learning a new skill, reading a book, or attending a workshop, making time for learning and personal development is essential for success. Lesson 7: The benefits of giving back to the community. Giving back to the community is an important aspect of a fulfilling life. Whether you're volunteering your time, making a donation, or simply being kind to others, making a positive impact in the world is a rewarding experience. Giving back can also help you develop a greater sense of purpose, increase your happiness, and build stronger relationships with others. Lesson 8: The importance of having a strong support system. Having a strong support system is critical for personal growth and success. Surrounding yourself with positive, inspiring people can help you develop a more positive outlook on life, improve your relationships, and achieve your goals. A supportive network can also provide you with encouragement, motivation, and help you overcome obstacles along the way. Lesson 9: The power of positive thinking and visualization. Positive thinking and visualization play a crucial role in helping one achieve their goals. By focusing on positive thoughts and visualizing oneself succeeding, individuals can attract positive experiences into their lives and develop a growth mindset. Visualization can also help boost confidence and motivation, allowing individuals to stay focused on their goals even when faced with obstacles. To make visualization even more effective, it's recommended to practice regularly, such as through morning affirmations or visualization exercises. Lesson 10: The role of persistence and determination in overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Persistence and determination are critical components of success. No matter what obstacles one may face, having the determination to persist in the face of adversity is key to achieving one's goals. People who are persistent and determined have a never give up attitude and are willing to put in the time and effort required to reach their goals. They understand that success is not achieved overnight and that there will be setbacks along the way. However, they don't let these setbacks discourage them and instead use them as opportunities to learn and grow. And that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the 10 biggest lessons from this book and that you found the information valuable and informative. Remember that these lessons are not just about achieving financial success, but also about developing the right mindset and attitude to achieve your goals in life. As a reminder, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll never miss a video and be able to continue learning and growing with me. And speaking of continuing to learn, I have a special treat for you. On the screen right now, you'll see 2 other videos appearing for you to continue your learning journey. Both videos are packed with valuable information that will help you in your quest for financial success and personal development. So, I invite you to choose one of the videos and start watching it right now. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.